Hello everyone. Welcome to Craft and Fix, where we learn, discover, and fix together. Do you have a broken LED bulb? Thinking of throwing it away? Don't. Today, I'm going to share a practical and easy way to fix broken LED bulbs, and you'll get excellent results. Most of these bulbs have a series of small LEDs connected in series. They're easy to operate, but this series connection means that a single failure is enough to break the entire circuit. If one LED burns out, the circuit is broken and the electricity stops flowing. That's the logic we'll be working with. Now, let's identify the problem and fix it. We've just located the faulty LED. The rest of the LEDs look fine. This is why the bulb stopped working. Step 2. Once we reach the board, we'll focus on the faulty diode we identified. Now, we'll completely scrape off this burnt-out diode. You can use a small screwdriver or a sharp knife for this, taking extreme care. Step 3, and final. After removing the diode, the aluminum plate underneath will be exposed. We'll create a bridge or straight connection using solder. Solder divided by tin. This way, we bypass the faulty diode and complete the circuit again. Congratulations! We fixed the lamp with a 100% success rate. And now for the second method, repairing a damaged lamp easily and with excellent results. Remember, this is just my method. If you have different methods or suggestions for improving this repair, please share them with me in the comments. I always welcome your opinions and constructive criticism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a new video.